हरि ओम। हरि ओम। शुरू ಮಾಡ್ಲೇನ್ರೋ? Okay. Tatpurusha Samasa. Last class we have learnt Avyayi Bhava Samasa as well as Dvandva Samasa. Two Samasas we have learnt. Dvandva Samasa, Ubhaya Pada Pradhana. Both words are important. Okay. How many types are there in Dvandva? There are three types, isn't it? Which are those? Samanya Dvandva, or it is called as Itaretara Dvandva. And then we have Samahara Dvandva. And then we have Ekashesha Dvandva. Ekashesha Dvandva is not so much important one. Therefore, two things we have to remember. That is Samanya Dvandva, or it is called as Itaretara Dvandva, or just we can call it as Dvandva. Therefore, and Samahara Dvandva, which is another type of Dvandva. Okay, these two things. How we will be able to identify Dvandva Samasa? Both are important, both will be in same vibhakti, and both are playing very important role. One thing. Second thing is, what is the difference between those divisions? Those divisions, mainly, if both are important, still Shabda, if it is in Ekavachana, then we can think that it is Samahar. Example, we have Pani Padam. Here, Pani Pada, there are two things, but still it is in Ekavachana. Putra Pautram, Mausa Shonitam, Vata Pitta Kafam. If Vata Pitta Kafam it is told, then it is Dvandva Samahara. Why? Because it is in Ekavachana. There are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, three things, but still it is in Ekavachana. Then Vataha cha, Pittam cha, Kaphaha cha, Tesham Samaharaha. Vata, Pitta, Kapham will become. Napumsakalinga, Ekavachana it will. If it is Vata, Pitta, Kaphaha, then we should not do the Samahara Dvandva. We should make Vataha cha, Pittam cha, Kaphaha cha. Vata, Pitta, Kaphaha. Dvandva Samasa. That is the main difference between Dvandva and Samahara Dvandva. Dvandva will be in Dvivachana or Bahuvachana every time after doing the Samasa, and Samahara Dvandva will be in Ekavachana only after doing the Samasa. Okay, that is main difference. Next we have learnt Avyayi Bhava Samasa. In Avyayi Bhava Samasa, vice versa. The words will be exchanged and there will be one Upapada. Like it will be some word Avyaya which will be added before the Namapada in the meaning of different things. Like in Samipa Artha, Upa will come. Okay. In Samruddhi Artha, Su. In Abhava Artha, Nir. Like this, different Avyayas will be coming in these different meanings, and we have to vice versa. We have to change their places, and then we will get the answers. Okay, this also we have discussed. Next, today we will be seeing Tatpurusha Samasa. Uttara Pada Pradhanaha Tatpurusha. Tatpurusha is one of the important Samasa, and it is Uttara Pada Pradhana. Here, Uttara Pada, the first word will be dominant. So the second word will be dominant. Okay. ಉತ್ತರ ಪದ ಎರಡನೇ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ತತ್ಪುರುಷ ಭೇದಾಹ. Types of Tatpurusha if we see, Vibhakti Tatpurusha, Karmadharaya, Dvigu, Nany Tatpurusha, Upapada Tatpurusha. These are some of the Tatpurusha Bhedas. Vibhakti Tatpurusha is called as Tatpurusha commonly, and others are different divisions only. Karmadharaya is one of the main Samasa. Okay, Dvigu is one, Nany is one, and Upapada Tatpurusha is one. These all are having Uttarapada Pradhana. Therefore, it is called as Uttarapada Pradhana Samasa. All those together, Tatpurusha it is called. Okay. Then each one we have to go what all those things. Okay. First one is Vibhakti Tatpurusha. Before Vibhakti Tatpurusha, we learn others only. Then it will be easy to learn Vibhakti afterwards. Okay. Before Vibhakti, we will see Nanyu Tatpurusha. Okay. Nany Tatpurusha is the samasa is happening with na. Like Nishedharthakam na subantena saha samasyate. The na, which is Nishedharthaka, means which is giving the negative meaning. Okay. That one will be getting the word na. The samasa will be happening with the word na. Okay. The na means it will be namapada also. Therefore, it is told as nan. It is called as nan. Okay. Nany tatpurusha samasa. It is told. Therefore, it is very simple samasa. But one thing we have to remember in this. What it is, we have to remember. That is, na will be joining with namapada. Nishedharthakam na subantena saha samakshite. Subanta means namapada. Therefore, na will be joining with namapada. Na will change to a or an. It is like sandhi, it is happening here. Na is changing from a or an. It will become a or an. Be careful, if only a or an is added, it is not avyayi bhava samasa, because avyayi bhava samasa also looks same, but it will not be having any combination of a or an. If a or an is joining before, then it will be nan tatpurusha. It is not avyayi bhava. We should be clear about nan tatpurusha. Leaving nan tatpurusha, any other things if we are adding at the starting, then it will become avyayi bhava. Only this a and an, they will make nan tatpurusha. Okay. After na, if swara is there, na will become an. Okay. When we have to make an, when na is joining with any swara. Na, if it is adding with the swara, then it will become an. It is like sandhi. Okay. Na will be changing to an. The example is na adara. Na adaraha. Na, after na adara is there, therefore it will become anadara. Na adara, anadara. Na ichha, anichha. Na uktam, anuktam. Na has changed to an. Therefore, anuktam, anuktam. Na ekam, anekam. Very famous example is aneka. Aneka is divided as na eka, aneka. Na aushadha, anaushadham. Na ritam, anritam. Anritam is asatya. Anritam means asatya. It is na ritam, which is not rita. Rita means satya. Okay. There is a slight difference between rita and satya. Satya is, if I tell half of you are very good, foolish, if I tell, it is satya. Or if I tell half of you are very good, isn't it? If I tell half of you are very good, if I tell you all will be happy, and it is satya also. But actually, what I am thinking is half of you are very good. I am thinking, I am telling, but inside I am thinking that half of you are not good. My intention is to tell half of you are not good, but I am speaking half of you are not very good. That means I am telling Satya, but it is not Rita. What I am thinking, that only should come out. Then it is called as Rita. Therefore, Anrita means it is not purely Asatya. It can be Satya also, but still it can be Anrita. Okay. We will not go to that so much details. We will learn the samasas. Then na, if it is added to vyanjana, any vyanjana, only a will be remaining. Na, if it is joining with any vyanjana, only a will be remaining. Okay. Example is na bhavaha abhavaha. Na bhavaha abhavaha. Na vidya avidya. Na satyam asatyam. Na dharmaha adharmaha. Na karyam akaryam. Na yogyaha ayogyaha. Like this, na will be added and samasa will be happening. Okay. Okay. Now your turn. Na roga, one by one. Okay. Tabassum. Na yoga, na roga. Quickly.
Aroga.
Aroga. Okay, next who is there? Sinchana. Na nidra. Sinchana. Na nidra.
Anidra.
Anidra. Okay. Inchara. Na shanti. Na shanti.
Ashanti.
Ashanti. Okay. Tabassum is over. Sandeep. Na upama.
Aupama, sir.
Anupama. Okay.
Anupama.
Anupama. Na will be replaced with because the swara is there, therefore it will become an. Therefore, na upama, anupama. Navodya. Na jnanam. Navodya. Na jnanam. Ajnanam. Okay. Na nafiz. Na jagarukata.
Ajagarukata.
Ajagarukata. Okay. Anuradha. Na utsahah.
Anutsaha.
Anutsaha. An it will become. But Anuradha is not this samasa. Anu is upasarga. Okay. Anuradha is Anu is upasarga. It is na uradha. There is no word like that. If there is uradha is a word, then it would become Anuradha. Okay. The meanings also we have to check. There is a upasarga also called as Anu. Ankita. Na agata. Yes.
Anagata.
Anagata. Na agata. Anagata. Gayatri. Na amaya. Na amaya.
Anamaya.
Anamaya. See, the same word, if we make na amaya, anamaya is nan tatpurusha samasa. The same word, if I make niramaya, it will become avyayibhava samasa. Amayasya abhavaha niramayam. Sarve santu niramayaha. Isn't it? Amayasya abhavaha niramaya. It will become avyayibhava samasa. If I making anamaya, it is becoming nan tatpurusha samasa, because I am adding only na here. There I am adding nir. Nir is coming in the meaning of abhava. Therefore, amayasya abhavaha niramaya. Sarve santu niramaya. There. Here na amaya, anamaya. Okay. Na cheshta. Who is next? Pratibha. Anigiri.
Acheshta.
Acheshta. Na tarkika. Priyanka.
Atarkikaha.
Atarkika. Okay, like this. If there is vyanjana in front of na, it will become only a. If there is swara, it will become an. Okay, and this is called as nany tatpurusha samasa. We have to write nany only. We should not write only tatpurusha. We should write nany tatpurusha samasa. Okay, next dvigu samasa. Dvigu means sankhya purvo dvigu, where number is at the starting. That is called as dvigu samasa. Okay, where number is called, that is called as dvigu samasa. Therefore, we have to dvigu means where is number. Okay, example is pancha. Here on some these are there. Purvapade sankhya shabdah asti. The starting word will be having sankhya. Okay, but it is like samahara dvandva. Dvigu samasa and samahara dvandva are same almost. What is the difference? In Samahara Dvandva, two equal Namapadas are joining. In Dvigu Samasa, one is Sankhya and another is Namapada. That is the difference. Otherwise, division type is same and the final product also looks same. Like it was happening there, Panihicha Padahacha Tayoho Samaharaha Panipadam. Same way here it will become, we don't have to use Tayoho. For whole word, we have to go on adding Shashti Vibhakti. Like Navaratnam, if it is there, Navanam Ratnanam Samaharaha. The group of nine gems. आरु रत्नगळ गुंपु. छह रत्नों का एक कण. Okay, that is called as samahara. Therefore, samahara means the group of numbers. Like, but already numbers are told and group it is told. Therefore, it will be in ekavachana only. If it is not in ekavachana and number is there, this will not be dvigu. Like if I am telling saptarshayah, I am telling saptarshayah. Saptarshayah is not dvigu because there it is not in ekavachana, it is in bahuvachana, isn't it? Therefore, it will not be dvigu there. It will be some other samasa which we will learn afterwards. That is karmadharaya it will become. Okay. Next examples are some of them. Panchanam vatanam samaharaha means group of 5 trees. 5 maragala samuha. Panchavati. It is become Panchavati. I have written Panchavati there. Okay. Then Trayanam Bhuvananam Samaharaha. Tribhuvanam. The group of 3 lokas. Okay. Navanam Ratrinam Samaharaha. Navaratram it will become. Panchanam Gavyanam Samaharaha. Panchagavyam. Same way. Trifalam. How to make division? Trifalam.
त्रयाणां फलानां समाहारः.
Very good. Trayanam Falanam Samaharaha. Trifalam. Okay. Some more are here. Or Trifali also it will become. Okay. Sometimes in Strilinga if it is used, it will become Trifali. Okay. If it is Pullinga or Napusakalinga, it can be changing there also. But it is not Bahuvrihi, it is Dvigu only. Okay. Next, who else? Rajeshwari. Katikkaru Rajeshwari. Shatabdi. How to make division? Yes. Katikkaru Rajeshwari. Quickly you should answer. Otherwise simply time will be wasted. Okay, Kaveri. Kaveri Hosmani. Hari Om. Mubashira. Mubashira. Okay. Xiomi 231. Saumya. No one is there or what? All kept for recording and went here and there or what? Okay, Saumya. Dinesh.
Sir, I won't got that. Can you please repeat that slide again, sir, please?
Yeah, ask no. You people are not asking. Just keep quiet. Okay. When there is, okay, Sankhya at the starting. Sankhya at the starting. Here Pancha is a word. Sankhya at the starting. And second word is noun. Any noun. Okay. But Sankhya is more, this is number should be more, no? If I am using 5, then I should use the next word in Bahuvachana actually. Or if I am using 2, I should make in Dvivachana. But after doing this Dvigu Samasa, it will be Ekavachana. It will be in Ekavachana only. Then the number also should be there. It should be in Ekavachana. Then that will become Dvigu Samasa. And Dvigu Samasa, how to divide that? We have to add Shashti Vibhakti for Sankhya also as well as for Namapada also. Because more than 3 means we have to use Shashti Bahuvachana. If 2 number is there, we have to add Dvivachana. Like if I am telling Dvinetram, Dvayoho Netrayoho Samaharha, Dvinetram. Because Dvi number will be Dvivachana. Therefore, Dvayoho Netrayoho Samaharaha I have to make. Otherwise, most of the times it will be Nam. Panchanam Vatanam Samaharaha means group of 5 trees. The Panchavati will come in Ramayana where it was famous for 5 trees which were there in the same place. Therefore, the place was called as Panchavati. Okay. Panchanam Vatanam Samaharaha. Same way Panchapaha is also there. Panchanam Apam Samaharaha Panchapaha. Panchapaha means Punjab. There 5 rivers are there. Therefore, it is called as Panchapa, Punjab. Okay. Therefore, Trayanam Bhuvananam Samaharaha. The group of 3 words. Swarga, Naraka, Bhumi. Trayanam Bhuvananam Samaharaha. Tribhuvanam. Navanam Ratrinam Samaharaha. Navaratram. Navaratri Mahotsava. Navanam Ratrinam Samaharaha. Panchanam Gavyanam Samaharaha. Gavyam, go Utpanna, which is very important in Ayurveda. Isn't it? Panchagavyam. Like this, Samahara we have to make Dvigu Samasa. When the Sankhya is there at the starting and we are using Samahara, then automatically it will become Ekavachana. If with the Sankhya also, which will be in Ekavachana, that will become Dvigu Samasa. And without Ekavachana, if it is having Dvivachana or Bahuvachana after adding number, then it will become once again Karma Dharaya only. That is different Samasa, we'll learn afterwards. Okay. Therefore, this is also same type like Dvandva, but difference is here number will be there. Okay. Now, if we divide this, Panchatantram, how to make it Panchatantram? Panchanam Tantranam Samaharaha. Okay. Panchanam Tantranam Samaharaha. Panchatantram. The group of 5 tantras, isn't it? Ashtadhyayi we have. How to divide that then? Ashtanam Adhyayanam Samaharaha. Ashtadhyayam. ಅಥವಾ Ashtadhyayi. It is used in Strilinga, therefore it has become Ashtadhyayi. If it would be Pullinga, it would become Astadhyayam. Okay. Dvidalam. Dvayoho Dalayoho Samaharaha. You know Dvidala Dhanya, Ekadala Dhanya. Have you heard this? Dvidala Dhanya are like the grains which can be divided. Okay. Ekadala Dhanya is like rice and those things. Ragi, these all Ekadala Dhanyas. We can't divide them. Okay. Therefore, Dvayoho Dalayoho Samaharaha Dvidalam. Saptahaha is also same way. Saptam Ahnam Samaharaha. Saptaha. Group of 7 days. Okay. Navagraham. Navanam Grahanam Samaharaha. Like this, it will become Samahara Dvigu Samasa. We have to add Samahara word. Okay. This is not Dvandva. Dvandva will not be having number. If number is there, it can't become Dvandva. Okay. The number is there, that will become Dvigu only. Clear? And Samahara also should be there. It should be in Ekavachana. Okay. Clear? Then anyone can try Shatabdi. Shatanam, Saptashati. Can we try? Banu. Saptashati. Can we try? Just Shashti Bahuvachana we have to add. When do we have to add Samahara?
Saptanam Shatinam Samaharah.
Shatanam Samahara. Okay. Whenever E comes, we have to make it A. Okay. Therefore, Shatanam Samahara. The group of 700s. Okay. Shatabdi, Jyoti, Jyoti, Shatabdi, Hari Om.
Abdinam Samahara.
Shatanam, Abdanam, Samahara. Abda means years. Okay. Abda means year. Shatabdi Express is there, no? It was introduced in the time of 100 years of Indian Railways. Therefore, it is called as Shatabdi. Abda means years. Shatanam, Abdanam, Samahara. The group of 100 years is called as Shatabdi. Okay. Shatabdi Express. Okay. This is Dvigu Samasa. Clear? What is Dvigu?
Yes.
When the number is there at the starting and still the whole word is in Ekavachana, then it is Dvigu. Okay. Next. Upapada Tatpurusha is one more Samasa. Here, the Samasa only can become in between two Namapadas. Okay. Actually, Samasa can't become with Kriyapada. But here, the Kriyapadas, one form, one small form is added with Samasa. Only this Samasa is having the form of Kriyapada. Okay. Other Samasas will not have any form of Kriyapadas. Pure Namapadas only can join. Only this is the one Samasa which is having Kriya while dividing will get. Okay. Namapada will join with sub words which are representing verb. Upapada. The upapadas, the sub words are representing verbs. ಒಂದು ಉಪಪದ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಉಪಪದ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಆ ಉಪಪದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay. When alphabet or set of alphabet used in the place of kriya, the set of alphabets are used in the place of kriya, then it is called as upapada tatpurusha. Examples, if we see, we'll come to know. We have seen so many examples like this, but we have to know that much. Jalam dadati iti jaladaha. Like we have so many examples in our text also. Do you know the types of pranis, types of jivi? How many types of jivis are there? Andaja, Svedaja, Udbija, Jarayuja. These all you know, isn't it? Those all are Upapada Tatpurusha Samasas only. Andaja, Ande, Andat Jayate iti Andajaha, which will be coming out from Anda. Okay. Andat Jayate iti Andajaha. Okay. Jayate Kriyapada will be changed to Jaha. Dadati Kriyapada will be changed to Daha. Pati means Rakshati. Pati means Rakshati. That word will be coming Paha. Nrun Pati iti Nrupaha. Nru means Manushya. Nru means Manushya. Nrun Pati. Dvitiya Bahuvachana Rupa of Nru is Nrun, it will become. Raja, it will become not Raja. Any other Shabda. Okay. Rama Shabda, how it will become? Raman. Same way. Hari Shabda will become Harin. Okay. Pitru Shabda will become Pitrun. Same way. Nru Shabda will become Nrun in Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Nrun Pati iti. Who will protect the people? Who is that? King. Nrupaha. Janati Shabda will be becoming Jnaha. Janati. What is the original dhatu? Jna is original dhatu. Isn't it? Dadati, da is original dhatu. Jayate, ji is original dhatu. Those original dhatus, pati, pa is original dhatu. Original dhatus will be getting aha most of the times. Dalam dadati iti jaladaha. Aushadam dadati iti aushadaha. Jivam dadati iti jivadaha. Okay. Rogam dadati iti rogadaha. Like this. Dadati will become daha. Jayate will become jaha. Okay. Janati will become jnaha. Sanskritam janati iti samskritajnaha. Padena pibati iti padapaha. Padapa means vriksha. The vrikshas will be drinking water from their legs. Their legs are roots. Therefore, they are called as Padapa. Divam karoti iti Divakaraha. Divam karoti iti Divakaraha. Like this, what will happen? The Kriya Padas, one short form, Upapada, is coming and joining at the second place of the word. Then it is called as Upapada Tatpurusha. In Avyayi Bhava, what was happening? In Avyayi Bhava, the short form of a noun only, the Namapada only, was coming at joining at the first. At the starting, it was joining. But here, the short form of Kriya Pada will be joining at the end, at the second place. Therefore, it is called as Upapada Tatpurusha. Here, when Upapada Tatpurusha is there, the famous words, what will happen, we should know. Famous Kriya Padas, what will happen? Like Dadati will become Daha, Jayate become Jaha, Janati will become Jnaha, Karoti will become Karaha. These all things we should remember. Accordingly, we have to change. Okay. Then, how to make this one Dosha Haraha, the third one. How to it will be Dosham. Whatever word is there, we have to add Kriya Pada. That much only. Hara is there, we'll make Harati. Pala is there, we make Palati. Palayati it will become. Kara is there, we'll make Karoti. Okay. Same way we should do. Madhupaha. What will become? Madhum pibati iti madhupaha. The animal which drinks the madhu. That is called as madhupa. Madhupa can be anything, any bee. Okay. All the bees are drinking the nectar. Madhu is only nectar. It's not only honey. Madhu can be nectar also. Therefore, Madhu pibati iti madhukaraha, madhupaha, who drinks the nectar. Okay. Nishakaraha. Nisham karoti iti nishakaraha. The person who does the night. That is Chandra actually. Nisham karoti iti nishakaraha. Okay. Next we have Bhupaha. Bhuvam palayati iti Bhupaha. The person who protects the bhumi. He is called as Bhupa. Granthapalaha. Grantham palayati iti. The person who protects the Grantha. He is called as Granthapalaka or Granthapala. Doshahara. Dosham harati iti Doshaharaha. Which will be eradicating the doshas. Which will be taking out doshas. That is called as Doshaharaha. Dosham harati iti. Neerajaha. Neere jayate iti. Which is growing in water. That is called as Neeraja. Okay. Andaja. Ande jayate iti andajaha. Which is coming out from anda. Andat jayate iti andajaha. Will be more correct one. Svedaha. Svedat jayate iti Svedajaha. Jarayujaha is a Manushya and other pranis. Jarayutaha jayante iti Jarayujaha. Which will be born from Jarayu, means Jathara. Okay. These are the examples for Upapada Tatpurusha. Then Shubham Karoti iti, what will become?
Shubha.
Shubha Karaha. Shubham Karoti iti Shubha Karaha. Bhuvam Palayati.
Shubhakara.
Bhuvam Pati iti Bhupaha.
Bhupaha.
Bhuvam Palayati iti Bhupalaha. There are two Kriya Padas. One is Pati, another is Palayati. Both are having same meaning. Okay. Therefore, Bhupa, there it was Pati. And here Palayati is there. Therefore, it will become